So we are going to discuss all the uses of has and have, where students find a lot of difficulties in it. But before that, I would request you to subscribe our channel for more useful videos. Let's start with it. So has and have plus noun that we can use for a possessor, which means for ownership. For example, I have a car, she has long hair, she has an iPhone, we have a company, which means we are defining our ownership towards something. Has to and have to we can use for a force situation. Force situation, which means when situation force you to take an action. For example, I have to take medicine because I'm not well, which means my disease or my illness make that situation where I have to take medicine. Next, had to, that had to in a similar way we have to use for past force situations, which means in my past I had to do something for it, which means it was compulsion for me to took that action. Has and have plus V3 like verb third form we can use to define a past to present action, which means it is a combination of past to present. In Hindi, if I use Hindi, so like बच्चे सो चुके हैं, मैं ये काम कर चुका हूँ, मैंने graduation कर ली है. So for past to present verb, we use has and have plus verb third form. For example, I have taken my medicine, मैंने medicine खा ली है. I have completed my work, मैंने अपना work कर लिया है. The children have slept, बच्चे सो चुके हैं. Had plus verb third form. So many people have that misconception that we can use had plus verb third form in a one sentence, but I would tell you one thing, which is a rule of grammar, that we cannot use had plus verb third form in a single sentence, because as per grammar rule, if you are using had plus verb third form, which means you have to add on second statement as well, which means second moment as well. So there we can call it as past perfect along with past simple. For example, in our first action we have to use had plus verb third form, and in our second action we have to use simply verb second form. For example, मैं क्लास आने से पहले मार्केट गई थी. I had gone to market before came class. Next, has been plus ing and have been plus ing. So these actions we can use to define our past to present ongoing actions, like for all the actions which we have started in past, but those actions are still going on. For example, I have been studying since morning, which means I started studying in the morning, but I'm still studying. I'm not doing anything except studying. I'm still doing the same studying that I have started in the morning. Similarly, there are a lot of misconceptions that people use. And at the end, in this video, I would tell you the two synonyms that you can use at the place of has and have. We can use own and also the possess. For example, I own a car. I possess a car. Thank you.